In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the keyboard on iPhone. This process is straightforward and can significantly enhance your typing experience. Whether you want to add a new language or switch to a third-party keyboard, I'll guide you through each step clearly. Let's get started. First, we need to add a new keyboard. To do this, open the Settings app on your iPhone. You can find the Settings icon on your home screen. It looks like a gear. Once you tap on it, you'll see a menu with various options. This is where all your customization options are located. After accessing Settings, tap on General. This section contains various system settings. Next, tap on Keyboard. Here, you will find all the keyboard settings available on your device. Following that, tap on Keyboards. This will show you the keyboards currently installed on your iPhone. Finally, tap on Add New Keyboard. You will now see a list of languages and keyboard layouts. Select the language or keyboard you want to add. This makes it easy to switch to a language you use frequently. Now that you have added a new keyboard, let's switch between keyboards. Open any app where you can type. Apps like Messages or Notes work perfectly for this. Tap a text field to display the keyboard. This will bring up your current keyboard on the screen. Next, touch and hold the globe icon, or the emoji key, which is located at the bottom left of the keyboard. This action opens a menu showing all the keyboards you have installed. Tap the keyboard you want to use, and it will change instantly. You can also tap the globe key repeatedly to cycle through your installed keyboards. This feature is handy for quick changes and saves you time during conversations. Next up, let's discuss how to remove or reorder keyboards. Start by opening the Settings app again, then navigate to General, followed by Keyboard, and then Keyboards. Here you'll see all the keyboards you have added. To make changes, tap Edit. This allows you to manage your keyboards easily. To remove a keyboard you no longer need, tap the minus button next to it. This action will reveal a delete option. Tap Delete, and that keyboard will be removed from your list. If you want to change the order of your keyboards, you can drag the three-line handle next to a keyboard. This will rearrange the list to your preference. Once you're satisfied with your changes, tap Done. This ensures your preferences are saved and ready for use. Changing your keyboard settings can enhance your typing experience significantly. It allows for more flexibility, especially if you communicate in multiple languages. You can switch keyboards seamlessly, making it easier to express yourself accurately in text. In summary, you have learned how to add a new keyboard, switch between different keyboards, and remove or reorder them. This simple process enriches your iPhone experience, making it more personalized. With these steps, you can efficiently manage your typing preferences according to your needs. Thank you for watching and enjoy your new keyboard setup.